TARS AI is one of the most hyped AI coins. In 1 month, we saw an increase about 370%. In this video, I will talk about the project TARS AI. I will analyze the chart and share my price prediction for the future. TARS AI is the first AI coin which is backed by the Solana Foundation. And right now, TARS is on place 289 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of around $200 million. So there's already some capital in this coin, but we have an extreme potential to the upside. And right now, technically and fundamentally, we have some very interesting news. And I often talked about this project TARS AI on this channel because TARS AI combines the Solana narrative, because Solana is one of the best projects for this bull run, with the AI niche. And I also see a large potential for the AI sector for this bull run. And as I often said, we also have very much utility and products from TARS AI. And soon we will see an AI agent marketplace on TARS AI on the Solana blockchain. And we have a similar project with Virtual Protocol, because Virtual Protocol is in marketplace on Ethereum, and we have here a market cap of $1.7 billion, and TARS has now a similar feature, and we just have a market cap of 200 million, and it's on Solana. So in my eyes, this project is undervalued, and it's the only AI marketplace which is backed by the official Solana Foundation, and we have some very big partners as well. So fundamentally, this is a very strong project. And also technically we are in this very interesting zone, because right here we had this last all-time high, we break through it, and we had multiple support and resistance in this area. So the chance that we see some support and go to the upside is very high. And especially if we can break this last highs right here and the 61.8 Fibonacci, then the chance is high that we can go directly to the last all-time high, about 50 cents. And if we can break the last all-time high, then we have this next interesting zone from 65 cents, 90 cents, and of course over $1, $1.15. And I think this price target for this bull run is very realistic. Fundamentally, we have an amazing potential, and we have just a market cap of around 200 million. So just from the prices right now to this potential price target of over $1, we would have potential over 300%. And for this bull run, I personally see a bull run price target of $3 to $4. So this would be 10 to 15x for TARS. And then we would just have a market cap of $2 to $3 billion. And I think this one is very realistic. Of course, we could see even higher prices if we would compare the market cap right now of TARS to Render all-time high, so one of the bigger projects in the AI space. Then we would have a potential of $9.32x. I could also imagine this kind of price targets, but I think this one is very realistic for this bull run. And from the price right now, we would have a potential over 1,200%. But as I said, I see a lot of potential in the AI space in Solana, so the chance that we could reach this price targets is also very realistic in my opinion. But I personally would take major profits in this area. So of course, on the long term and for this bull run, I'm very bullish on TARS. And for the short term, as I said, I think the chances is high that we can find some support in this area and go to the upside again. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then I think the chances high if we come back into this zone again between 20 cents and 22 cents and seeing bullish price action, this would be an amazing chance to get into more TARS, because then we could retest this last highs right here and this order block. But as I said, I think the chance also high that we could see higher prices from this zone right here. And especially if Solana and the whole crypto market is moving to the upside, then the chance is high that also TARS will follow. And if you want to trade or buy TARS, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So all in all, I think TARS AI is an amazing project. We have very much utility and soon the AI agent marketplace on Solana. And also technically we are in a very interesting zone for the long term. If we're seeing lower price again, then I would go into new positions in this area right here. And especially if we're breaking to the upside, breaking this last highs, then the chance is high that we can directly go to the last all-time high of 50 cents. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.